Hi everyone, it's nail day. My first client is Leslie, and don't forget guys that all of the products that I am using you guys can find on our website. It is elegancenailsupply.com, or just go to the link on my TikTok bio to shop. We do offer Afterpay and ShopPay. And if I do sound a little mellow guys, it's just because I've had like a horrible migraine the past few days where it actually put me in. But I was honestly a little scared this time because it was not going away, and I was afraid that I was going to make a hole in the wall from smashing my head into it because I was so frustrated. Anyways, so the color that I'm using here is called Skin, and by the way guys, Leslie honestly had a glow up. She started off with super short nails and now she wants to go longer than this, honestly. The color that I'm using here is called Skin, and it is restocking super soon. I know a lot of you guys are very eager. Either you guys are running out of the one you have, or you guys were never able to catch it in stock, but don't worry, we are going to bring it back super soon. So we ended up doing one nail full with the skin color, and then here I did a little Frenchy area. Leslie did want to go in with black today. She wanted black to be like the main character in this set, but include some nude here and there. So I'm using the color charcoal. Oh my god, not me saying it like Liz, charcoal. And then here I'm using the 5-in-1 bit to debulk the nail. These are available on our website, from fine grit to extra coarse. And here is our smooth top bit, and I drew some cheetah and these came out so adorable. My second client of the day, her name is Sam. I haven't seen her in a couple months. She kind of comes in when it's like holiday season, and then after February, I would say she kind of leaves me and then comes back again like in September. But we ended up using the color Jade with her, and the brush I'm using is the size 14 from our website as well. So here I'm doing the little application moment, and then we ended up using a glitter as well. This one is called Emerald, and it matched perfectly with the Jade color. Here I'm doing the little application on the pinky, and I believe I used Silk here. Okay, yes guys, it was the color Silk. And then I ended up doing some 3D flowers on the ring finger, and then here I am using our top coat, and this top coat we also have it in the velvet matte top coat. But these came out so adorable. They were very simple but super beautiful, and yeah. Okay guys, and my last client of the day, her name is Lauren. She looked so pretty. I love how she looks every single time she comes in. She's so naturally gorgeous. But we ended up going in with Citrus, and this color is Silk. We ended up using Silk again because it matched so beautifully with her skin tone. So again, we are doing a little application moment here, and then we ended up doing an ombre on some of the fingers. Only one of the fingers was a full-on orange citrus color. I did some nail art, and yeah, that's it guys. Bye! Hey everyone, it's nail day. So my first client was Cassandra, and all of my clients today were actually new clients, but they were all so amazing. So of course we are prepping the natural nail, cleaning up the cuticle area. She had such nice nail beds, and we ended up using the Nails and Blinks straight tapered square tips. And for this set we went in with the color Chai. By the way guys, right here in the next clip I'm going to show you guys when I make an exception on blending in the tip, and I only blend the corners in. As you can see, it's a little popped out. I never really blend the tips. I know a lot of you guys do, but I personally don't, and it has never affected my retention, so to each their own. But all of the products are available on our website. The link is on my bio, elegancenailsupply.com. The brush I'm using is the size 14, and again, this cover color is called Chai, and here's a little application moment. It's so smooth, so buttery. So we ended up doing this color for all of the nails because she wanted to do like a cursive L on her ring finger and black V Frenches, and I used the Brother Cosmetics black gel polish. These were so beautiful. My second client of the day, her name was Raquel, and she wanted to go a little more on like the longer side, so we ended up using the same tips. She wasn't ready for fall yet, so she wanted to go in with Hottie. She specifically requested that color. I also went in with Lush because I feel like it matched so beautifully with this color. And the cover color I chose was Truffle. I feel like it complemented her skin tone so amazing. It looked so gorgeous on her. Here is Truffle. And I also added some little cute gold flowers, which you guys will see at the end of the video, but here's a little application moment. I do try to go live with all of my clients. I try to interact with you guys a lot more, so that's why my nail days are a little bit shorter at times, but it's because I'm doing two things at once. So I hope you see that and appreciate it. No, I'm just kidding, but I did a 3D flower, and these were so gorgeous. I really want to know which set was y'all's favorite down below for second or third. My last client, I couldn't record much, but I went in with Silk and Pearl. Her name was Perla, so we kind of didn't even do that on purpose. Went in with our top coat, and the middle finger is pure white. Look at how gorgeous. And that's it guys, bye! It's nail day! So my first client is April, and by the way guys, most of the products, 99%, are all again from Elegance Nail Supply. It is our website and the link is on my bio in case anybody is interested. So of course we're starting off with the usual, prepping the client's nail plate, making sure to clean up the cuticle area. These nippers are from Amazon and the nail tips are Nails and Blinks Straight Tapered Square. These scissors are coming soon to Elegance. She did want to go pretty long, and she did let me freestyle as well. So we went in with silk and celestite. These are on our website. And for the clear, I used the Ultra Clear from Brother Cosmetics. The brush I'm using is the size 14, but we also offer them in a size 10 and 12. But I ended up doing half the celestite color on one finger because obviously I was doing an ombre. And look at how beautiful these colors just blend together. The other finger, I went ahead and did like a full-on celestite color. But for the pinky and the leftover or the other fingers, I did the color Silk, which is this one. And here's a little, here's a different angle actually of the application moment. They blend so beautifully. I love our cover collection. And the monomer I'm using, if anybody is curious, it is the Mia Secret. But honestly, I use whatever's available. But look at how beautiful these came out. My second client of the day, her name is Annalisa, and I didn't record as much, guys, by the way, for these next two because I did try to go live and do my nail day as well. So for the base color, we used the color Skin, and it's SKYN. That's how I spelled it for our brand. And it is also part of the Pure Elegance cover collection, and this is pure white. Again, I'm bringing it down. That's how I always do my application. I always place it and kind of bring it down, but I always make sure that my brush is a little wet so that the acrylic doesn't stick on my brush. And then this beautiful black, which is an amazing black acrylic if you guys are looking for one. This one is called Charcoal, and this one's in the Jack Frost collection. But I did some nail art, and look at how adorable these came out. And my last client of the day. For these, I wasn't able to record as much because I also went live as much as I could, but I used the Nails and Blinks Straight Tapered Square. These are the two colors I used. The nude is called Elegance, and this beautiful sparkly color is called Nayeli. It's just like my name, and look at how beautiful it sparkles. But this is the finished look, and that's it, guys. Bye! Hi everyone, it's nail day. So my first client is Paola, and you guys know the drill. We are prepping our client's nail plate, cleaning up the cuticle area so that we get minimal to no lifting. And just a little FYI guys, mostly every single product that I'm using in this video is from our website, and it is available for you guys. This gorgeous blue color that I'm using, which is the main character of this set, it's called Caribbean, and it is from the Tropical collection. I went ahead and did an ombre on the ring finger. Look at the blend, and the cover color I'm using is called Skin. This one is super popular. Whenever we launched, we actually sold out of this one, like I believe a day or 2 days, or it took a day or two, but it is restocked now in case you guys are interested. I used our 3D brush to do these beautiful flowers. I did the same, or I used the same color as well, so that way I could keep it like color coordinated. I did some little crystals here and there, and then I added some unicorn dust, and look at how beautiful these came out. Honestly guys, I don't know, you guys have to pick which set was y'all's favorite. My second client is Jennifer, and guys, can I have a round of applause in the comments because I went ahead and I did lives with all of these sets, and I still managed to finish a nail day. But this set, I know if you guys were live, you guys are gonna be like, what happened to the plaid nail? But my client actually, whenever I got off of my live, she decided to just keep it as it was. But don't worry, there's gonna be many more fall sets to come. This beautiful cover color is called Chai, and this gorgeous green is called Olive. And again, all of this is available on our website. The link's on my bio. I did a really cute sweater nail on one of the nude nails. I added the champagne on the pinky, which is a glitter acrylic, and look at how gorgeous these came out. And my last client is Genevieve, and honestly guys, I was doing so good until I was trying to record the nail day, and I found out that I forgot to do the final recording for the set. But don't worry, I added a clip from my camera roll. Now this set is a little bit fast because I did do a longer live, but the darker brown you guys saw is called Mocha, which is available on our website. The lighter brown, or like nude brown, is called Cappuccino, and it will be available next week along with Hershey's. This gorgeous milky white is called Lace, and look at how buttery this acrylic is, and look at how cute. And that's it guys, bye! Hi everyone, it's nail day, and I hope you guys missed me. So my first client of the day, her name is Kessence. And also guys, for all of the products that I am using and mentioning are on our website. The link is on my TikTok bio. So the color that I went in with guys is called Chai, and it is from the Pure Elegance cover collection. The nail tips are the Nails and Blinks Tapered Coffin, and the brush is size 14. This color right here, or this glitter I should say, is called Macchiato, and it is so beautiful. Here was application, and then here is after they are filed and buffed. Added some top coat, some leopard, and look at how gorgeous they came out. My second client of the day, her name is Roxanne, and as usual, as I do with every single client, we are prepping the nail bed, cleaning up the cuticle areas because that is the key to prevent lifting. The cover color that I'm using here is called Silk, and I actually tried recording from a different angle, guys. Look at how pretty it actually came out. Here is a little cuticle action, and again, I'm using our number 14 brush. By the way, guys, who's excited for our Black Friday sale and the new Temptation collection coming out next Friday as well? This is the smooth top drill bit. It is in fine grit and it seals the cuticle area so easily, so effortlessly, and it also helps with preventing any lifting because the sealing of the cuticle area is what blocks from any oils, liquids, or debris to get into your nails. I also added some nail art and I used our nail art brushes, and I basically just did the nails like as a V-French, added top coat, and they were so adorable. And my last client of the day, her name is Joanna. For this set, guys, we went in using Skin, which is a huge favorite from all of you guys. And we did like a little Frenchy moment with brown glitter, some nail art, abstract nail art, and they came out so adorable. Look at how glossy and beautiful they came out. And my last client, guys, her name is Valerie. I did go live here as well. So the colors, I'm actually going to mention them. This on the pinky is called Skin, and we're using our top coat. On the ring finger, it is Chai. The middle finger is Cafecito. On the pointer finger, it's Mocha. And on the thumb, we did use Hot Chocolate. All of these are available on our website. These nails came out so beautiful. And yeah, that's it, guys. Bye!